This is such a nice spot.
Yes, I love coming here.
Do you come here alone?
Sometimes, mostly with my family.
That's nice. I come here to think
To think about what?
about life, studies, future, everything.
I understand. This place is very peaceful.
So, can I ask you some questions?
Sure, I love answering questions.
Okay, first question. What is your full name?
My full name is Omer Raza Khan. And yours?
I am Eman Fatima. Just Eman Fatima.
That is a beautiful name.
Thank you. Second question. How old are you?
I am 22 years old. What about you?
I am 21, almost the same age.
Yes, we are from the same generation.
Haha, true. Third question. What do you do?
I am a university student. I study business.
That is a good field.
What about you?
I'm also a student. I study English literature.
Wow, you must love reading books.
Yes, books are my best friends.
That is beautiful. Who is your favorite writer?
Jane Austen, I love her novels.
I have heard of her. Pride and Prejudice, right?
Yes, have you read it?
No, but I want to read it now.
I can lend you my copy.
Really? That would be amazing.
Of course, that's what friends do.
We are friends now?
Why not? We are sitting here talking.
You are right. I am happy.
Now it's your turn. Ask me something.
Okay. What is your favorite food?
Biryani, without any doubt.
Chicken or mutton?
Chicken biryani with raita.
Perfect choice. Mine is also biryani.
Really? We have the same favorite food.
Yes. What about dessert?
Gulab jamun, hot and soft.
Oh, I love gulab jamun too.
Stop it. Are you copying me?
No, I swear. I really love gulab jamun.
Okay, what is your favorite color?
Blue. Like the sky.
My favorite is also blue.
Now who is copying whom?
Okay, you win.
Haha. Next question. What time do you wake up?
At 6 in the morning, every day.
That is very early. I wake up at 8.
8 is late. You waste so much time.
I like my sleep. I can't help it.
You should try waking up early. It feels good.
Maybe I will try. For you.
For me?
I mean, for my health. Yes, for my health.
Sure.
What is your favorite hobby?
Reading, writing, and drinking tea.
Drinking tea is a hobby?
For me, yes, I love tea.
How many cups do you drink in a day?
At least 4 cups.
That is a lot of tea.
I know, but I can't live without it.
I like tea too, but only 2 cups.
You are a light drinker.
Yes, I am.
Now, a serious question.
I am ready. Ask me.
What is your biggest dream?
My biggest dream is to open my own business.
What kind of business?
A coffee shop with books and soft music.
That sounds like my dream place.
Really? You would come to my coffee shop?
Every single day.
Then I will make it for you.
For me?
I mean, for customers. Yes, for customers.
Okay.
What about you? What is your dream?
My dream is to become a teacher.
A teacher? That is very noble.
I want to teach little children.
You will be a great teacher
How do you know?
because you are kind and patient.
Thank you, Omer. That means a lot.
I am just saying the truth.
Now, another serious question.
Go ahead.
What is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is losing the people I love.
That is a very common fear.
Yes. What about you?
My biggest fear is living a boring life.
What do you mean?
I don't want to wake up one day with no memories.
That is deep. I never thought about that.
I think about it all the time.
Then we will make memories together.
Together?
I mean, as friends. Yes, as friends.
Okay, I would like that.
Can I ask you something personal?
Yes, you can ask me anything.
Have you ever been in love?
That is very personal.
You said I can ask anything.
Okay, okay. No, I have never been in love.
Really? Never?
Never. I am waiting for the right person.
What kind of person are you waiting for?
Someone honest, kind, and funny.
That's it? No good looks.
Looks matter, but personality matters more.
That is very mature of you.
What about you? Have you ever been in love?
I think so. Once.
What happened?
Nothing. She moved away.
I am sorry to hear that.
It's okay. It was a long time ago.
Do you still think about her?
Sometimes, but not in a sad way.
That is good. Moving on is important.
Yes. What about marriage? Do you want to get married?
Yes. One day, when I am ready.
At what age?
Maybe 26 or 27, after my career is set.
That is a good plan.
What about you?
Same. I want to be stable first.
Then we think the same.
We think the same about many things.
Yes, that is surprising.
Surprising but nice.
I agree.
Let's ask some fun questions now.
Yes, no more serious talk. My head is heavy.
Haha, okay. First fun question.
Go.
If you could be an animal, which animal would you be?
A lion, because I am brave.
Really? I think you are more like a cat.
A cat? Why?
Because you are calm and sleepy.
That is so rude.
I am just joking. You are a lion.
Okay. What animal would you be?
A bird, so I can fly anywhere.
That is beautiful. Where would you fly first?
To the mountains. I love mountains.
We should go together one day.
Really? You would come with me?
Yes, someone has to protect you from lions.
Ha ha. You are funny.
I try. Next question. What is your favorite song?
Tum Hi Ho from Ashiki 2.
Oh, that song is so emotional.
Yes, it makes me cry every time.
My favorite song is Kaun Tujhe from MS Dhoni.
That is a beautiful song too.
We should sing together one day.
No way. I sing very badly.
I don't believe you.
Believe me, your ears will cry.
Ha ha. Now I really want to hear you.
Maybe one day, not today.
Okay, I will wait.
Last question. If you had one wish, what would it be?
One wish? I would wish for more time
More time? Why?
to spend with the people I love.
That is a very sweet wish.
What about you? What is your one wish?
I would wish for happiness for everyone.
That is very generous.
Not really. If everyone is happy, I'm happy too.
You have a beautiful heart, Eman.
Thank you, Omer.
The sun is setting now.
Yes, time passed so fast.
Because we were having fun.
Yes, I really enjoyed talking to you.
Me too. Can we do this again?
I would love that.
Same time, same place. Next week,
Yes, same bench, same park.
I will be here.
So will I.
Should we go now?
Yes, it's getting dark.
Thank you for today, Eman.
Thank you, Omer. This was a beautiful day.
I will walk you home.
No, it's okay. My house is near.
Are you sure?
Yes, don't worry.
Okay, then goodbye.
Goodbye. See you next week.
I can wait.
Me neither.